welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Shayla, and today we will be doing our lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade. Today's workout would be week 3, day 4, and it is a full body push, posterior. First move will be single leg crossover RDLs, or Romanian deadlifts. Tempo is 3-1-0, 3 sets of 10 reps on each side. Then the next move, it will be a single glute bridge, isometric hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds on each side. And then the last move is a Nordic leg curl. And it's going to be an eccentric 4-0-0 tempo and 3 sets of 10 reps. The difference between this week's day 4 and last week's day 4 is the single leg RDLs are going to be crossovers for this one, and the single glute bridges are isometric holds, and the last move is entirely different. It's a Nordic leg curl, and I have never done a Nordic leg curl before, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a fitness professional, I'm not a personal trainer, I'm not associated with Barbell Brigade. And I also am injured. I have a knee injury, so I'm gonna have to modify that Nordic leg curl. I'm gonna try to do it and see how it works. Let's see how it goes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this workout. Oh, and also guys, I will be doing the first move not in my usual workout room, because with this new camera it doesn't capture from head to toe because my room is so small, my workout room. So I'm going to be doing the first move in a different room and then move back into the exercise room. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's workout. As you saw in my last move, I had to extremely modify because of my knee and also because I've never done a Nordic leg curl before and it was extremely hard, you guys. So I'm going to give my final thoughts after tomorrow's workout, but I can already say for sure that it's a progression calendar. So by the last week, you should be able to do all these moves. I don't know. They didn't say that, but the idea is that it's a progression calendar. And I can already say that I cannot do a Nordic leg curl, okay? And all the weeks before did not lead up to this last move. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you on the last day, day number 5, which is tomorrow. Bye.